Chivayo, a businessman with ties to President Emerson Mnangagwa, has been involved in several high-profile scandals. From suspicious contracts to questionable business practices, Chivayo's name keeps popping up. And now, new allegations suggest he's been pulling strings behind the scenes, possibly influencing political decisions. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Moving on to Moses Mpofu, another businessman under scrutiny. Mpofu's dealings have raised eyebrows, especially his connections within the Treasury. Recently, there have been murmurs about Mpofu's involvement in embezzling funds meant for public projects. His luxurious lifestyle, juxtaposed with Zimbabwe's economic struggles, has only fueled public outrage. And then there's Mike Chimambi. Known for his flashy lifestyle, Chimambi has faced accusations of corruption and misuse of funds. His close ties to political figures have made him a focal point in the ongoing corruption investigations. People are questioning how someone with his background amassed such wealth so quickly. All of this is happening while Mnangagwa's administration is under intense pressure. Just last week, state security agents intensified their probe into a series of alarming incidents at the residence of Deputy Finance Minister David Kudakwashi Mnangagwa, the president's son. Bullets left behind during break-ins and a suspicious fire have led many to speculate about internal power struggles within the ruling party, ZANU-PF. And let's not forget the last election. The opposition accused Mnangagwa of orchestrating massive fraud to secure his victory. Allegations of voter intimidation and ballot tampering have cast a long shadow over his leadership. Even though Mnangagwa denies these claims, the damage to his credibility is significant. So what does all this mean for Zimbabwe? The nation is grappling with rampant inflation and chronic unemployment. People are struggling, and the constant news of corruption only adds insult to injury. The public's trust in their leaders is eroding fast. As investigations continue, the country watches closely. The resolution of these scandals is critical not just for the Mnangagwa family's safety, but for the broader stability of Zimbabwe's political environment. Will justice be served? Can Mnangagwa restore faith in his administration? Only time will tell. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates on Zimbabwe's unfolding political drama. Until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.